We're now taking a walk, a nice chilly morning walk towards Taj Mahal.
Hi, Fida's viewers.
Fida's viewers. Don't forget to click subscribe.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Thank you. So
after he they made like all of the workers build this thing, it's a rumor that he chopped all of their hands and legs.
why?
I don't know that.
He's evil.
No, you should know that. Come on, let's pick up something. Let's pick up wine.
Let's go.
Now
Let's
I
go
like
shit right there.
Yeah. So he went all Game of Thrones on his employees.
Now we are talking.
Yep. That's interesting.
But
In
don't
my
let anyone
language,
know.
Mahal means
But
expensive.
don't let
Same.
anyone know.
So I think this place is gonna look like $1 billion.
Yep. Yeah.
Not rupees, USD or pounds.
So let's fire this guy and let's go to this guy.
Add some
So what
inflation to it.
Oh.
So what does the tell us? Tell us more.
Okay.
Wait, stop. This is not a cow, this is an ox.
Yes.
For future reference.
Yes.
It's a muscular cow. Real number to the person. So yeah.
Hey, hello.
Cut. Let's cut that. There's some.
Who coming?
We got some weird guy walking around, just
Yeah.
trying to, subscribe, click like, subscribe, and see you later. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow. Free water and shoe cover because it's gonna get messy there. The plot twist is gonna be messy. So I don't know why I go white shoe. Which white shoe? Hey.
My guy is very weird.
That's the Taj Mahal.
This is better.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because that took 22 years to build. And it took 20,000 people.
Mine's more
Neither of those
efficient, 9
places.
months. 9 months more efficient. So, what do you think of Taj Mahal?
I think it's so symmetrical about everything.
Everything is symmetrical.
Yep.
But
And
I honestly think it looks more beautiful in the morning. I've never seen it this early in the morning.
yeah, it's just so pretty. You guys should see it at night. Look at that. Look at the trees.
We came here for the trees.
Yep. It's so pretty, it's so white,
So
it's
pretty.
so
We take so many photos.
and that's about it.
Yeah, technically this is not very crowded. The guide told us that if we come later, we have to wait like hours to get in.
Yes.
This crowd ain't nothing, yo.
He'd be like, let's call it quits.
So accurate,
Yep.
so much symmetry.
Yes. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye guys. See you in Singapore.
Bye.
We go eat first.